Gabby Petito entered the Sarasota County Courthouse today, where they are suing the parents of her fiancé, Brian Laundrie. Authorities say Brian killed Gabby during their cross-country road trip of national parks last year. And after Brian returned home without her, his family refused to talk to investigators about what they knew or didn't know. The Laundrie's attorney says they weren't required to say anything at all. And as Fox's Kimberly Quizon reports, they asked a judge to throw out the case.
Clutching a necklace containing her daughter's ashes, the parents of Gabby Petito began their first hearing in a lawsuit against Brian Laundrie's parents.
If that's not outrageous, Your Honor, I don't know what is outrageous.
Patrick Riley, the attorney for the Petito family, says while the Petitos searched desperately for their missing daughter, Chris and Roberta Laundrie already knew what happened to her. But instead of saying so, they hid behind their lawyer while trying to protect their son. He says a statement released through their attorney, Stephen Bertolino, during the search was a false ray of hope.
When they spoke up, they made that very callous, that very terrible statement, giving hope to Joe and Nicole that perhaps Gabby was still alive, with full knowledge that she was not. The only reason that Mr. Bertolino is not a defendant in this action is because he's not a citizen of the state of Florida.
In the motion to dismiss the lawsuit, Matthew Luca, now representing the Laundries, says his clients did not have a duty or obligation to speak and were protected by the First and Fifth Amendments.
It could be construed as trying to divert attention or something like that, but again, it's a fairly benign statement. I mean, he's really just expressing that he hopes that she returns. And again, they haven't alleged what information he had when he made that statement.
It will now be up to Judge Hunter Carroll. He will make a decision on whether the case continues within the next 2 weeks. And if it does, a jury trial will be scheduled for sometime next year. In Sarasota County.